Hi, welcome back to Cook Like a German, and today we have leftover love. We had some kick-ass Mussels yesterday, and the mussels the leftover are in here with the broth we had. We added a little bit more vegetable broth. What can we do with it? We add celery, black garlic and regular garlic right in there. Will be all cooked down. A little bay leaf pepper salt in with a little thyme. These are dried anchovies for umami flavor in. This is dried seaweed, also umami in. A little bit of Worcestershire, and we are ready to reduce. All right, our stock has reduced, and now we strain it. All right, let's taste it. Very good, very strong. You can use it for risottos and several sauces for fish. So you can freeze this and it will last for a while. And I will have an extra segment where we go through a couple of sauces you can make with it.